Hello student, welcome to today's question of the day. Today is the 6th April and we are going to discuss another important topic or another important question from the SQL functions topic. So let's start the session without any delay. So the question is on your screen. The question I am reading and I will explain you what exactly it is asked. So carefully observe the following table that given named as employee, and it has certain columns like employee number, employee name, age, gender, subject, date of retirement and salary. This question is asked of the 4 marks. Similar questions generally asked in the CBSE board examinations also. So we will see this question and discuss the answer of that question. So employee number has certain numbers like 1001, 2001. You should look the table carefully. Then name Sandeep, Hina and all those. Age 45, 35, 42 and gender age male, female, male, female. Subjects as physics, chemistry, physics, maths, English and all those. Date of retirement is given and the salary is given. So what the question is asked, write down the SQL query for the following. For the following task you need to write down the SQL query. So first task is to display the records in the descending order of the salary. He want to display the records in descending order of the salary, means the highest salary will come in the first position. So he wants the output like this. The highest salary is what? Here the highest salary is 98,000. So 98,000 should come first, then second one is the 95,000, then 95,000 should come second, and then 92,000. 92,000 should come at the third place, and then 85,000 should come at the fourth place, and then it should come 80,000 should come on the fifth place, and then 75,000 should come on the sixth place. So in this format he needs the output and he wants a SQL query. He don't want output, remember, he wants to get this such kind of output and he wants you to write a SQL query for that. So I am writing down the SQL query for that. He wants the in decreasing order and he wants to display all records, means he wants to display all the details of the records in the decreasing order. So first of all we will write the select statement. Select we will write, then what we will write? We will write the star because we want all the records, not a specific column, we want all the records. That's why we write select star. Then we need to write the from. From means which table we want to fetch the records. We want to fetch the record from employee table, so we will write the employee. Now we want to order these records in descending order of the salary, so we will use this order by clause here, order by, and then you will write the name of the column. Name of the column, here in the question it is given descending order of the salary, so we will write the name of the column as salary, and the order is given descending, so we will use DESC. Remember, ASC is used for ascending order and DESC is used for descending order. So this thing you should remember to solve this question. Okay, if this question was have been asked in this way, to display the records in increasing order of the salary, in that case you need to write the ASC here in place of DSC. So remember, question may be asked in any pattern. Now this A question is of the 1 mark. If you write the query like this, you will get the 1 mark definitely. Okay, now we will discuss the second question, that is B portion. To display the subject and subject wise average salary. So remember, here wise word is used, that means subject wise average salary he wants, means each subject, like subject physics, what is the average salary of these employees, like physics employees, and its average salary will be what? 95,000 plus 98,000 divided by 2. 95 plus 98 divided by 2 and 1000, like this, like this he wants. So you need to add these salaries and get the average. The average should be the output. Now for the same thing you need to do for the chemistry subject, chemistry, and he wants the chemistry only one entry is there, so there will be only 85,000 will be the average salary. Now math only one entry there for this math subject, so you will get the 80,000 salary as a average salary. Now English subject has two employees, so for English you need to calculate average 75,000 plus 92,000, so 92 plus 75 divided by 2 comma 1000. इस तरीके से you need to calculate. Now you calculate the average. I am not going to calculate this average here. If you want to calculate this average, you will get 95 plus 98, then you will get 3 and then 18, 18 and 193. I think you will get the 193, then divide by 2, so you will get 19, 2 9 is 18 and then 1 and then 0. You need to write like this: 2 6 ja 12 and then 5. Like this you will get the output. Okay, so if you divide it with the 2, then you will get 2 9 ja 18, 1 and then 3, then you will get the 6, 2 and then you will get 5, like this. 96.5 will be the average here for physics. And for the English, what you want, 97 plus 5, 7 and then 167 by 2, so it will be around 2 8 is 16 and 2 3 is 6 and 83.5 will be the average salary. 83,500 and 96,500, these are the average salary. But he is not supposed to ask the output. Okay, he is asking the query here. So what you need to do in such kind of questions, you need to do, I am roughing this calculation, you need to first you need to know what you want to calculate. So you got the idea what exactly asked in the question. He want a query that will give that output, average salary subject wise. So in that case, what we need to do, we need to write the query like this: select, first write select, then write from, and then group by we need to do in this query, because we want subject wise average, we don't want the average of all the employees. If average of all the employees salary we need, then we need not to do group by, but here we want the salary subject wise, so we need to do the group by. So in group by, what column we will do? Subject wise we want average salary, so group by will be done on the column subject. So we have to write group by subject, and from which table we want to write? We want to calculate employee table. And what we need to display? Subject name we want to display, so we will write subject, and then we want to write the average salary. And for calculating the average salary, we have the AVG function in SQL, average, and which columns average we want? Salary column, so we will write like average salary. So using this command you will get such kind of output automatically. So he is asking the command, not the output. Okay, remember. So to display the subject and subject wise average salary, we need to write this one: select subject comma average salary from employee group by subject. This is very simple. Now we will discuss the C portion of this question. C portion is very similar to that particular upper query only. To display the total number of employees gender wise, this time wise keyword is came before the gender column. So we need to calculate the count of number of employees gender wise. So like there are two genders, male and female. So male, how many number of employees are there with the male as a gender? So 1 2 and 3 employees are having the male gender, and 3 employees are having the female gender. So this is the output. He want you to write the query that will give you output like this. Okay, so for that same way we need to write the select first, and then we will write the from clause, and then group by here we need to do, because group by is necessary because gender wise total number of employees he wants. So group by will be done on the gender column. So group by will be done on the gender column, and then from which table? Employee table we want to calculate. So we will write the employee, and what output we want? Total number of employees. So we can say like this: gender comma count star. You can write like this: count star gender comma count star from employee group by gender. That will give you output like this: male having 3 number of employees and female having 3 number of employees. So it is very simple. Select gender comma count star from employee group by gender. So you can write the answer of this C query like this. Now we will go and discuss the another query that is asked as a D. So display the subject and subject wise highest salary of employees. So what he want exactly? He wants subject wise highest salary, means physics subject. What is the highest salary? Physics subject has 2 employees are having the physics subject. So which one have the highest salary? 98,000. So he want output like this: 98,000, not 95,000. Then chemistry only have 1 employee, so it will have the output with chemistry 85,000. And then we will have math subject, and math subject will have the output 80,000 because only 1 employee is there, so maximum will be same. And English subject has 2 employees, so English subject has 2 employees, so which one is the maximum? 92,000 is the maximum, so 92,000 is the maximum. So this output he wants, but he don't want the output, he wants you to write the SQL query that will give that output. Okay, so here wise keyword is coming before the subject column, so we will do select, we will write again select, and then from, and then we will write group by. We have to definitely use here because we want subject wise maximum, so group wise will be done using subject column. On the subject column, and then we will write from which table we want, employee table, and then select what we want, subject name, so we will write the subject column name here, comma highest salary. To calculate the highest salary among the 2 salaries, we use the max function. So we will write max, and on column, which column we want maximum salary? On salary column we want maximum, so we will write max salary. So the complete query will be look like this: select subject comma max salary from employee group by subject. So this way you can answer this question. So all the four portions, 4 part of this question has been discussed. If you write down the query exactly and correctly, then you will get the 4 out of the 4 marks very easily in that kind of question. So this question belongs to the group by topic of the MySQL. So that's all in this question, and thank you so much. If you like this video, please press on the like button and share it with your classmates so that everyone can get benefited. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video with a different and important question.